This is just a short video to show you how to use this booking page. So when you come to the link, this is the information you will see. It will have the dates, what's included, some information about the hotel, and then pictures of the lovely couple, cancellation policies. And when you get to the available packages, if you see at the top, it will say 4 nights or 5 nights for each room type that will be available for you to pick. So if you were to pick this one and you click on book now, at the top you can select 1 or 2 people per room. And then when you do that, it'll come up with the price for that room for 1 person. If you were to select 2 people, it will then update the total for 2 people in that room. Scroll down to the bottom. There's also an option for Club Mobe if you would like arrival or departure or both. You can add this at the time that you do your booking. You would just select it, select how many people you want to give it to, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says continue to traveler information. And when you click on this, it's going to give you all this information that you need to fill out: contact, address, passport information. If for some reason you do not have your passport yet, at least fill in your name exactly as it is on your passport here, or it will be on your passport. And then you can skip the rest of that part until we have that information. Okay, and then you'd scroll down, filling all of this out, obviously. And then you will do additional traveler. If there is a second person, you will fill it out again here. And then you will go to payment, and it will ask you for your credit card. Just to clarify, it will take me a week or 2 before I actually process your card, but you will fill it in and it will tell you how much you will be charged just as soon as I actually process it. I hope this helps.